Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing slash demoing the HiSmile teeth whitening kit. HiSmile emailed me saying if I wanted to review their products, so I said sure, why not, because I've always wanted to try teeth whitening kits, you know, like I think I've seen like the Kardashians and the Jenners endorse it, so I recognized the brand when they emailed me and I was like, oh my god, I have to try it. So they sent over 2 packages, and the first part of the package is the teeth whitening kit. It has the syringes full of the like whitening solution, and then the little lamp thingy, and then a little like mouth tray thing to put the solution on. Then the second package is a toothpaste set, so there's one for the day and then one for the night. I've never used like special toothpaste for the day and special toothpaste for the night, so this should be fun to do. Hopefully I don't get them confused and I remember to use them. So before I start using the kit, I just want to tell you guys that it is safe for sensitive enamel. So I had braces for about 4 to 5 years back in high school, and it has really worn down my enamel and they're super sensitive. So when HiSmile emailed me, I emailed them back right away saying, is it safe for sensitive enamel or sensitive teeth? And they said yeah. This is what they said: we have carefully crafted our advanced formula to only include the finest ingredients, ensuring that your teeth are not harmed in the process. So if you have sensitive teeth like me, give it a try. You can email probably one of the representatives and you can talk to them more in depth and they can provide you with more information. So the first step is gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. So I already did that step, so I didn't have to get up and leave the camera. I just used the day toothpaste and brushed it. It tastes like regular toothpaste. It's very like clean, minty, refreshing, and it kind of like foams up nicely. I really like when toothpastes do that. Second step is take the battery out of the LED light, remove the plastic, and then reinsert the battery. I already did that because when I opened it I was really impatient and I wanted to see if it would work, so boom. Okay, step 3, simply attach the mouth tray. Okay, so I'm just, oh my god, it's making noise. So this is the little light thingy, and then this is like the mouth tray. So you attach them together so that way when you put it in your mouth, you don't have to sit there holding it, because I know that I would get so tired of doing that. So you just stick it in and then you don't have to worry about it. That's what she said. Okay, step 4, apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply to the face of the mouth tray. Okay, so what they mean is make sure that you just put it here and also on the top here and then on the bottom as well. Okay, so then you pull this little white thing off and then you insert it into the tray. So make sure you only go to the first line, and then I'm just gonna like smear it around to make sure when I put it in my mouth it's all even. So I've covered the mouth tray and now it's time to put it in. It says relax and let the whitening process begin. The LED light will automatically turn off when your 10-minute session is up. So you really just like put it in and then forget about it. After that you rinse your mouth with warm water and then smile. So looking at this little chart that they provided, I think I'm a level like 4, between like a 4 and a 5. So I put everything on and now it's time to let the process begin. So I just finished my first session. After 10 minutes this thing started beeping, so that was a really good way to knowing that your session was over. You don't have to like set an alarm or anything, and it was really comfortable to have in the mouth. And then the 10 minutes went by super quick. I know it's kind of like a long time, it seems like, to have something in your mouth and then like not being able to talk or anything. My friend actually called me and I was like, oh, I can't really answer because I'm whitening my teeth. While I was using this, there was no sensitivity going on. It didn't burn, it didn't tingle, it felt super comfortable. It has this kind of like minty feeling. It tastes like Thin Mints and I had to like stop myself from wanting to eat it. So I'm going to finish using the rest of the syringes the rest of the week. It's recommended that you use it daily and you limit the intake of dark colored food and beverages such as white wine, coffee, and tea before you do the application. So for days 2 and 5, I'm going to just like use my camera to show you every day that I've been using it, and then the last day I'll check in with you guys so we can see a true before and after. Hey guys, I am checking in with my HiSmile review. So I finished the 6 days completely. So I'm going to insert the pictures of like me doing it right here. I took a picture each day. My teeth lightened from a shade 4 to in between a 2 and a 3. So my overall thoughts on this kit, it's really easy to use. The instructions were like super clear. It was really fun to put the stuff like on the tray. It kind of made me feel like a scientist. Like it was like a cool little like experiment to do every night. There was no sensitivity at all. I really like the toothpaste that it came with. The day one I would use in the morning, and then the night one obviously at night. So before I would use the kit, I would brush my teeth with this, and then I would also use this in the morning. And then since I was doing the kit right before I went to bed basically, right after I did the 10 minutes, I would rinse out and then use the night toothpaste. And the night toothpaste is actually black. It's like charcoal, and it was really fun to use. I've never used a charcoal toothpaste before, and I was afraid that it would taste weird, but no, it didn't at all. Both of these toothpastes taste very minty. Your teeth feel super clean after. So overall, I would definitely recommend this kit if you're looking for a great affordable way to whiten your teeth, especially if you have sensitive teeth like mine. So later on this year, I can definitely see myself purchasing like a refill kit. If you guys would like to check the website out, I'll leave it in the description box down below, and you can check out their website. Thank you HiSmile for sending these products to me. I really enjoyed using this kit, and I will definitely buy the little refills when I need to touch up my teeth. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!